In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach emails to calendar events in Outlook. If you've ever wanted the key details of an email right where you schedule your time, this method keeps everything together so you don't have to bounce back and forth between your inbox and your calendar. Start by opening Outlook and locating the email whose details you want to keep with your event. Click into that message and copy its content. On Windows, use Ctrl+C. On a Mac, use CMD-C. You can copy the entire email, or just the parts you need like the main request, a list of action items, or important links. Trimming out signatures or long footers now will keep your event clean and easier to read later. Next, move over to your calendar. Use the calendar icon in the left sidebar to switch from mail to the calendar view. This ensures you're creating the event in the right place and on the right calendar if you use more than one. Create a new event by clicking the New Event or Create button. This opens the event details window. Fill in the essentials, a clear title, the date, start and end time, and the location if it applies. A helpful tip is to reuse the email subject as your event title if it captures the purpose well. If the email is driving a deadline or follow-up, set the event time accordingly so it lands where you'll actually act on it. Now paste the email content into the description area of the event. On Windows, press Ctrl+V. On a Mac, press CMD-V. Outlook will embed the text right into the body of the event, and in most cases basic formatting and links carry over. If you want the key takeaway front and center, add a brief one-line summary at the top, then leave the pasted email content below for full context. You can also remove extra spacing or images to keep the description tidy and readable. Before you finalize, take a moment to review everything. Confirm the title, date, time, and location are accurate, and make sure the pasted content looks good and is easy to scan. If your organization uses shared calendars, be mindful that anyone with access to this event can read what's in the description, so avoid leaving confidential details you don't want visible. When you're ready, click Save. Your event is now set, and the email's details live right inside the description, ready whenever you open the calendar item on desktop or mobile. That's it. Thanks for watching.